In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead report in Salesforce with a focus on using filters and groups for more effective reporting. Let's dive right in and begin by navigating through the app launcher. Simply click on it, search for reports, and then click on the reports option when it appears. This takes you to the reporting interface where we can start creating a brand new report. Once there, you'll notice a button labeled New Report. Go ahead and click on that, which will open up a new window for you to begin configuring your report. In this window, you'll see a search bar. In there, type Leads. Select it as your report type to ensure that all the information you gather will pertain directly to leads. After you've done this, you'll need to click Continue to proceed. Now let's set up the key fields for your report using the outline pane. These are crucial for what you want to analyze, so consider adding fields like lead owner, lead source, status, created date, and company. Each of these fields will give you insights into various aspects of your leads and help in organizing your data effectively. Moving on to the Filters tab, we will refine the scope of the data that appears in your report. First, you'll want to set the Show Me filter. You have choices here. You can select all leads if you want a comprehensive overview, or narrow it down to My Leads if you are interested solely in leads assigned to you. Next, adjust the Created Date filter to suit your analysis needs. You might choose all time for a thorough historical view, or perhaps last 30 days if you're interested in more recent data. At this point, it's a great idea to apply custom filters to tailor the report even further. For instance, you could add a filter where lead source equals web to focus exclusively on leads generated from your website. Once your filters are set, we can organize the data into meaningful summaries using the Group section in the outline area. Decide if you want to group by rows or columns and choose the specific field that makes sense for your analysis. This way you can view patterns or trends across different segments of your data. Visualizing your data can greatly enhance understanding, so locate the Add Chart button and click on it. This will let you attach a visual representation of your grouped data. You can choose from various chart types like bar or pie charts depending on what best fits your needs and data structure. Finally, to complete your lead report, you'll want to either save or run it. But before that, it's important to give your report a descriptive name and, if you wish, add a brief description to detail the purpose of the report. Also, select a folder to save it in, ensuring easy access later. Once that's done, proceed by clicking Save to finalize your work. And there you have it. You've now successfully created a lead report in Salesforce, customized with specific filters and groups to maximize its relevance and impact.